Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Yota. I'm thrilled to have you here today. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a true unboxing and also a reveal of a recent purchase that I just got. If you are interested to see what I got, stick around. Before we get started with the video, I just want to say Happy Father's Day to all the wonderful dads out there. If you are fortunate to still have your dad with you, be sure that you show him how much you love him and appreciate him. It's so important. Make his day special. I am wearing this gorgeous necklace. It is a photo of my dad and I. It's my all-time favorite childhood photo. And I guess I was about 6 months old in this photo, and my son had this made for me a few years ago at Christmas, so I'll try to show it to you. Hopefully it will pick up. And so I wear a little piece of my dad around my neck, but he's always in my heart. And he was just the typical Greek father. He was overprotective and wonderful all at the same time. So I miss my dad. May his memory be eternal. And I just really hope that you guys have a wonderful Father's Day weekend. You guys know we can't go any further without the bag of the week, but actually this is the bag of the weekend. I just changed out from my Louis Vuitton backpack that I've been carrying straight for 2.5 weeks. And I changed into my gorgeous Fendi can-I bag. And this will be the bag that I carry this weekend. My husband and I have plans. We're gonna go out for a nice dinner for Father's Day. And I thought this would be the perfect bag. And I actually carried it to work today, and it carries all of my essentials. I wouldn't say any more than that, but it definitely carries all of my essentials, and I absolutely love this bag, my Fendi can-I. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you have probably already seen these. And I was so excited to find them. I was looking for something similar, and when I saw these, I knew that I had to have them. I like to wear my hair up a lot in the summertime, and they're not really big earrings like I normally wear. Sometimes I do want to wear smaller earrings. So did I just let the cat out of the bag? They're earrings. But I was really excited when I found these, and I buy them from a seller that I found on Etsy on Facebook, and she's from London. I paid for them, and within about 5 days I had them, so I was really excited. And let me show you what I got. Okay, so this is really exciting because I already opened them once, and now I get to do it again, so it's kind of a win-win. So like I said, I got these off Etsy on Facebook from a wonderful buyer, and I have bought several pieces of jewelry from her. She sells smaller items. She doesn't do like bags. She sells like watches, jewelry, things like that, wallets. And when I saw these, I knew that I had to have them because I was wanting a pair of earrings like this. And the fact that they had the double pearl sold me, because there are no crystals, so I won't have to worry about that. But they're just very classic looking, just, you know, simple CCs and the double pearl, and I just think these are really elegant and beautiful. So I was really excited to get these in my collection. And like I said, I've worn these quite a few times before I showed you guys, but they were noticed on Instagram because I just think these are just absolutely gorgeous, absolutely classic Chanel all the way. So I really, really am excited to have these. The next item just came today, and I was so excited, and I started to tear into the box, and I thought, hold it, sister. You need to do a true unboxing. So you can see where I started to tear into the box. Guess where it's from. I just ripped that open, and I thought, wait a minute, I'm gonna wait till I get home and open it with my friends. So what do you think I got? Leave it in the comments below. What is your guess? I love playing these games with you guys, and so many of you know me so well, and so many of you guessed when I said about when I got the backpack. So many of you guessed that right, so this is really fun. So what do you think is in this box? Let's see what's in this box. I'm really excited to see it. I have not seen this particular item in person, so let's just open it up. You guys, it never gets old opening up these boxes and pulling out these gorgeous orange boxes. I love the orange color, the orange and the blue. Okay, so we have a, what is this? Oh, it's showing about the jewelry collection. I have one Louis Vuitton bracelet, a leather bracelet. I've had 3 in the past, but I gave one to my daughter and one to my daughter-in-law, so I have one left. So I do love their jewelry though. So we have that little pamphlet, we have my receipt, and we have this item. So you guys be sure and put your guesses down in the comments, and we'll come back and see what I got. So let's open her up. I love the way the packaging looks. It's gorgeous. All right, and I love these drawer boxes, you guys. And let's reveal my new goodie, if I can get it open. So here it is. Here it is with the sticker that says Louis Vuitton. I got a new Twilly. Is this not gorgeous? I absolutely love this. The black and the white and the gold. I have 2 other Twillys. One that I had put on my my new Louis Vuitton backpack with just the mono, and then I have one that has purples, and I thought this one was absolutely gorgeous. And I bought it for a particular bag in mind. I'm sure I'll use it, you know, with other bags, but there is one bag that I purchased this that I had in mind. But yeah, I love it. I love it. And I love the yellow. If I had to choose a favorite color besides black and white, I would go with the mustard yellow. So these are all the colors that I absolutely love. And I also wanted the one that had the butterflies on it. I was going to get that one too, but it was sold out and called for availability. And this was one of my midnight purchases, you guys. That's when I do my damage. I just put it on my bag. The one that I was thinking about when I ordered it, I had this bag in mind, and I had to show you guys. How gorgeous is this? I love it, you guys. It's so pretty. It's just perfect. It just adds a little bit of color, but not too much. So I'm so in love with this black empreinte leather. I think this goes perfectly. It's very classic looking, and I've always felt like this bag needed something. And if you guys have been watching my channel, you know that I also have the raisin artsy and empreinte leather, and I wanted the Twilly with the butterflies on it, but it's sold out right now, so I'm going to be, you know, watching for that one. And so I bought this particular Twilly with this bag in mind because I always felt like it needed some dressing up, and I had a little poof ball on it, which was really cute, but I think this is way more classy looking. And you know, the Louis Vuitton charms are so expensive. I own one, and I will at some point get another one that hangs down. And but I have one that goes across one of my Speedies. But I love this, and I blame you, Lady B. You are the one, and you know this because I've told you, you are the one that started my obsession with Twillies. She told me, girl, get you one, and I was like, okay. So I got one, and I am obsessed with Twillies because you can use them on all the different bags, and you can put them in your hair, around your neck. And I don't think I would ever wrap one around my waist, or I mean my wrist rather, but I love how versatile they are, and they're just very classic looking. So that is just a really gorgeous, classy look, I think. So yeah, Lynette, this is all your fault that now I have yet another obsession, and I will get that. If you guys look on the website and you see the butterfly Twilly, send me a DM and tell me it's available because I'm watching for it, because I think it would be gorgeous on my raisin color artsy. So yeah, it doesn't look plain anymore. I just always felt like it needed something. So this is the perfect, when I saw this one, I said this is the perfect Twilly for this particular bag. That's all I have for you guys today. If you are watching and you liked this video, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. We are a growing family of friends and I appreciate you all so much, and I would love to have you join us. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys again next week. Bye-bye.